You can look up the iPod. Just do it. No.
Oh my god, just do it.
This sucks.
It doesn't, it's not that bad.
Oh my god, don't laugh. Don't laugh. Wait till it starts to burn. You're gonna pee your pants. Don't think about funny things whenever you're doing it. Wait. Don't.
Over the sink. You boogers go out my nose.
Did you just gag? Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna throw up. It's okay. Don't touch me.
Gurgle it. Gurgle it. Gurgle the water. It'll make the cinnamon get out.
Oh, wait, I'm gonna go to the bathroom.
Oh, there's a weird throat. You gotta pick it out?
I'm gonna pick what up?
The cinnamon?
Yeah. Yeah, I am. Yep. Bathroom. Bathroom. Sierra. I'm so bored right now. Look at Kaylin and her doggy. Did you throw up? Oh my god, did you throw up? No, it's in your teeth. I dropped the spoon.
Wow.
Oh, that's really bad.